Audio Technica, a leading innovator in transducer technology for over 50 years, announces the new ATH M60x on-ear professional monitor headphones, the latest addition to ATH's critically acclaimed M series line. Designed for studio, broadcast, and mobile applications, the ATH M60x is a low-profile, on-ear professional headphone model that utilizes the same proprietary 45mm large-aperture drivers found in the ATH M50x, with rare earth magnets and copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils, delivering exceptional clarity throughout an extended frequency range with accurate bass response. The ATH M60x's low-profile, closed-back, on-ear design provides excellent sound isolation and a great fit, which is enhanced by the exceptional comfort and durability of the memory foam earpads and headband. The headphones come with 3 interchangeable cables, 1.2M, 3.0M coiled, 3.0M straight, and 1.2M straight, each with a 3.5mm, 1/8, mini plug, a 6.3mm, 1/4, screw-on adapter, and a protective carrying pouch. ATH M60x features low profile, closed back, on-ear design provides excellent isolation and fit. Proprietary 45mm large aperture drivers, the same used in the critically acclaimed ATH M50x, with rare earth magnets and copper-clad aluminum wire voice coils. Carefully crafted using key metal components for lasting durability. Exceptional clarity throughout an extended frequency range with accurate bass response. Low-impedance design delivers high output level from any headphone output. Premium, memory foam earpads and headband allow headphones to be worn comfortably for hours on end. Earpads and headband detach for easy replacement. Ideal for studio, broadcast, and mobile applications. Detachable cables, includes 1.2M, 3.0M coiled cable, 3.0M straight cable and 1.2M straight cable. Audio Technica's ATH M60x on-ear professional monitor headphones will be available July 2018 with US pricing of $199.